million Americans under winter weather alerts. And Fox Weather is with you, tracking areas.
Significant snow as well. Very, very fascinating setup, guys. Just going to way down branches. That combined with the strong winds leads to power outages.
All right, don't worry about me. It's going to snow. We'll be fine. It's going to be wet. It's going to be heavy. Yep. We live in New England. We're well aware that wet snow is heavy, and we're going to get through this. But I did go buy gas, and I did get milk, because that's what everybody does, right? When it snows, you got to get your gas and your milk. I mean, that's how you get through a winter storm right there. All right, it's just about 11 o'clock, and it finally started to snow. You can see it up there in the light. We'll see what it looks like in the morning. All right, at 6 o'clock the next morning, we got about 8 inches of snow, but it's heavy, wet snow, and it's still coming down, and the power went out. And if you listen real quiet, you can hear the trees cracking, so it's really heavy snow. So it looks like just about everybody's without power. Hey, and that sound you're hearing is a generator. So we got about 12 to 18 inches of snow. We're running on generator. We lost power. Yeah, it's generally just not nice out here. A bunch of trees are coming down. Neighbors are out doing their driveway. I'm gonna go get my tractor and do one quick pass on my stuff. And I mean, it looks beautiful. This morning was a little sporty. We got, we'll call it 2 feet of snow. It's heavy, wet snow, just like they said it was going to be. And I snowblowed the yard at one time. I also went to the fire station this morning because a tree had come down and blocked the doors. Took out the power service on the fire station. So I'm actually on my way back to the fire station right now to cut the tree up. The power company just got there and disconnected the power, so now we got a bunch of members going up to cut the tree up so that we can get the fire trucks out of the fire station. So I'm just getting ready to pull in right now. So you can see the side roads really aren't as good as the main roads, but they are passable. And we're going to go ahead and get this cleaned up, and we got the tree picked up with the help of a tractor, and we ended up going on a medical call. And it looks like the second wave is coming, or third wave, depending on how you're counting. But I guess we'll go home and snow blow one more time. I'm probably gonna have to do 2 more before this storm is over. There's trees down all over the place. It's pretty crazy.
I didn't think it was that heavy.
Yeah, this sucks. Give her the beans. 24 hours ago, I was standing here and I was telling you it was just getting ready to it was just starting to snow. It's still snowing. It's been snowing all day. We got to be near 30 inches of snow right now. It's been a very busy day. Time for bed. Good morning. It's the next day. It's still snowing. We got about another foot last night, so. All right. Third time's a charm, I guess. All right, hopefully that's it for this storm. Had another foot or so out here, maybe a little bit more, and it's still snowing. This is going to be one of those storms that when people talk about it, they're going to say, "Remember that storm we had in March one year?" Thanks for watching.